Hi guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. This video is a new Rover video and it will handle about the Mechatronic. Mechatronic is something that I didn't know anything about, and it was the first time in my life that I did a transmission service. Stay tuned for that. So this is the Mechatronic, like it sits in the car, but here it is taken out, of course, and you see this opening here, and that is situated in the position between 6 o'clock and 5 o'clock, and this sleeve will have to fit over here in this circle range here. So the lip in the sleeve will have to go in here, and you have to position the sleeve in the same position, so between 6 o'clock and 5 o'clock, and then it will go inside here. So to get the plug out here, you have this lip, and with a screwdriver you can push it up to this position here, and then the plug will come out quite easily, and you can take it out by hand. When you have to push it back inside, when the sleeve is changed and you will have to put the plug back, this lip here will have to be in the top position here, and these 3 points will have to fit in the sleeve where you can see the 3 openings. And these are the 3 openings where the plug has to go on. So this is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know in the comments below why, and please subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And follow this channel, because if you hit the bell icon, there are going to come a lot of good videos your way. So stay tuned for that, and see you in the next one. Peace.